Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I'm going to be creative with a sweatshirt. So several years ago, we're talking probably the early 90s, I was actually really into painting t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. It was very, very popular at the time. One of the things I did though is I took a sweatshirt and I made a jacket out of it. And I actually have two of them that I made for myself. I made one for my mom, and I still have them, and my mom still has hers. I really, really like them, and they're very easy to do. And today I'm going to tell you how I did it. So I just got a basic plain sweatshirt. Normally and stuff like that, I wear a medium, or if I want it oversized, I would wear a large. These, I wanted them to be a little bit larger, so I got an extra large because they are jackets, and you may be wearing like a heavy sweater or something under them. So I got my sweatshirt, and then I cut down the middle, okay? And once I did that, I went to my sewing machine and I zigzagged. Just made a zigzag stitch all the way down. This particular one I used blue. I think this one, yes, I used a pink. If you wanted to, you could take some type of binding and sew along there. I wanted this to be not all that noticeable, so that's why I just did a small zigzag. So once I had that done, you could leave it at that and you have your jacket. I don't know about y'all, but I get tired of like hoodies, always having to take them off and on, especially when you wear glasses. Sometimes I forget to take my glasses off and my glasses fly off, messes up your hair. I just don't like pullover jackets, something that I will probably be shedding at a later date during the day. And that's why I came up with this idea. But anyway, once I had my jacket all done, I wanted to decorate it. And so I stenciled, this one I stenciled flowers. I did some on the arms. I did some on the back. Here, let me put it on for you. Did some on the front. And this is a nice little jacket. It'd be great to take maybe on a cruise, if you're on a boat. During the summer, sometimes if the evenings are a little bit chilly, maybe not so much in Florida or even in Louisiana, but I know a lot of you have cooler nights even in the summer, and this would be a really good alternative. Doesn't have pockets, but that's okay. But here is this one. Let me put the other one on for you. Like I said, these are really easy, even if you're not a sewer. Okay, this one, I actually didn't do anything on the back. I just did the front. And I got little fish. Just did fish. I did some on the sleeves. I think I just did them on the front. Honestly, I probably started this and didn't finish it. But I got little bubbles with the paint. But anyway, I hope you try this project. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.